Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Audio, Visual and Lighting Engineers. In this video, we are going to give you a review of Poly X50. Let's start. The Poly Studio X50 video bar for the small and medium size room. Connect easily with whatever video collaboration software you may use. Experience full boardroom quality audio, advanced camera capabilities. Poly Studio X50 comes with two USB ports, one USB-C, one aux microphone port, 3.5 audio in and audio out. On the other side, two HDMI display ports, one HDMI in for the content, one LAN port and power. For a basic setup, connect HDMI out, LAN cable and power. For more information, please visit Polycom website. Thank you for the watching video.